Hey everyone! Okay, so you've probably heard the name Microsoft Word before, right? It's literally everywhere. But do you truly know the essentials of managing documents inside it? Like, it's one thing to just click the icon and open the software, but it's a completely different skill to know exactly how to effectively create, edit, save, and print. Today, we're going totally back to basics. In this explainer, we're going to focus specifically on Unit 7, which is the Microsoft Word Introduction. If you're currently studying basic computer skills, or, maybe you just need a really structured refresher, this chapter is absolutely crucial for you. We're going to break down all the important concepts from the source material into simple, exam-ready language so you can totally master the foundations. All right, let's take a quick look at our agenda. We've got core concepts, drafting documents, preserving work, the output, and finally, the complete process. Let's get right into it. Starting off with Section 1, Core Concepts, understanding the basics. First things first, what actually is Microsoft Word? At its core, it's a word processing software. Think of it like a giant digital workspace used specifically to create, edit, format, save, and print documents. Its entire reason for existing is to make dealing with text as easy and honestly as efficient as humanly possible. Inside this Word environment, you've got a complete toolkit right at your fingertips. We're talking about essential features like text typing, text selection, and text editing. Plus, you can seamlessly move around within the document, save your progress as you go, print out the final result, easily find files you've stored on your computer, and use all these different document views to double-check your formatting. It's the whole shebang, really, everything you need in one place. Moving right along to Section 2, Drafting Documents, the student journey begins. Let's paint a picture here. Imagine you're preparing a brand new college assignment. You sit down at your computer, fire up Microsoft Word, and bam, you're staring at a blank screen. So what's the very first thing you do? Well, you create a new document. That totally empty white space is exactly where all your hard work begins. Once you've created that new document, you hit step 2. You type your text. But look, as we all know, nobody types perfectly on the very first try, right? You're definitely going to spot a mistake or two. And here is a fundamental rule of word processing you need to remember. If you want to change something, you have to highlight it first. You select the specific text, and only then can you edit it to correct mistakes, modify it, or move it somewhere else. It's like telling the computer exactly what word you're pointing at before you give it a new instruction. All right, on to Section 3, Preserving Work. Securing your assignment. Think about this for a second. What happens if you finish your entire assignment and just don't save it? Maybe your computer crashes out of nowhere or the power just shuts off. Every single word you just spent hours typing, poof, gone. Your important work is completely lost. Honestly, that's a terrifying thought for literally any student, which is exactly why understanding how to save your documents is, without a doubt, absolutely essential. Now, what's really interesting here is that the software actually handles saving in 2 distinct ways. First, you've got a fast save. This one quickly updates just the recent changes you've made since the very last time you hit save. On the flip side, you have a full save. This takes a tiny bit more effort from the computer, but it completely saves the entire document from top to bottom. But saving isn't just about frantically mashing a button. It's all about organization. When you save, you have to assign a suitable file name and actually choose a specific logical location on your computer. Let's say it's tomorrow and you need to add some more info to your assignment. Because you gave it a proper name and tucked it into the right folder, you can effortlessly use the Finding Files feature for super quick retrieval. You find it, open the existing document, and just pick up right where you left off. Easy. Up next is Section 4, the output, final checks, and submission. To really build up your confidence before you finally hit print, Word actually gives you multiple perspectives, which are known as document views. You've got normal view, print layout view, outline view, web layout view, full screen view, and even a zoom function. Each of these views serves a very specific purpose. They literally allow you to inspect your formatting, spacing, and layout from every single helpful angle. However, the ultimate, absolute, final step before physical submission is print preview. Seriously, never skip this. Print preview lets you check exactly how the document will look on the actual paper before you send it to the printer. If everything looks perfect there, then, and only then, do you finally print your assignment. Finally, we're at Section 5, the complete process wrapping up. So the crucial point to take away from all this is the simple progression of it all. If you want a quick memory aid for the basic Microsoft Word workflow for your exams, just remember this sequence. Create, type and edit, save, open and preview, and finally, print. This literally condenses the entire journey, from a blank screen to a finished paper, right into your hands. And that brings us to the end. Do you want important Q&A for this chapter? We've successfully broken down the core concepts of Microsoft Word today. But think about this. If these basic tools completely revolutionized how we write, how will mastering them change the way you organize your own thoughts and career? Make sure you keep testing your knowledge, practice these steps on your own computer, and hey, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.